We all rely on the oceans. The oceans provide us with food and energy. They allow us to transport goods and people. Yet, working at sea is one of the most dangerous occupations in the world. And as we look to the future, there are evolving challenges that we need to manage. These challenges include energy transition, impact of climate change, and the impact of new disruptive technologies. These challenges bring both opportunities and threats across the maritime system.
In order to meet decarbonization goals, we need to develop this infrastructure at a very large scale and also at a rapid pace. It means that we need skilled people to be operating.
The maritime system is incredibly complex. Collectively, we want to avoid the unintended consequences of one part of the system changing and not considering the impacts it will have on the other parts of the maritime system. At Lloyd's Register Foundation, we focus on the interface between people, infrastructures, and the environments in which they work. We use the best available evidence to work with those that can influence change in the maritime system, targeting actions that improve safety, particularly in high-risk sectors like fishing, ferries, and seafaring. We work in partnership with others, bringing together diverse and unheard voices so we can understand each other, share perspectives, and reduce risks together.
So the Maritime Decarbonization Hub was formed in 2020 with a grant of Lloyd's Register Foundation. We are a group of specialists that are working towards building coalition by running program of research, providing new insight to key stakeholders so that we can accelerate the decarbonization of the shipping industry and therefore the adoption of sustainable and zero-emission fuels.
In addition, we have a large heritage team who look after our maritime archives from Lloyd's Register. This puts us in a unique position because it allows us to learn from the past in order to inspire and inform the future.
The main piece of work that we're doing with the Lloyd's Register Foundation and indeed the Ocean Foundation is we are looking at the issues and challenges with potentially polluting wrecks. And what we're trying to do with the project is to actually produce some global standards of how to deal with these wrecks. So those archives, those plans are absolutely critical going forward to how we assess each one of those 8,000 plus wrecks on the seabed.
Just like in the maritime system, it's not possible to do anything on our own. So we work in partnership with others where we can collectively work together so that we can bring about change that can improve safety across the maritime system.